Welcome back to SXdrv. In this episode, we meet at the crack of dawn in 3 rear-wheel drive cars and set off on a road trip to Redstar Raceway to find out if we could learn to drift in just one day.
I'm peeing right here, I don't care.
And I am so happy.
And this is what happened.
Morning, guys. I'm always the first one here, hey?
Mike's recording, pal. Right
Now?
Camera now.
Okay. All right, so I was told to bring a rear-wheel drive car. So naturally, I went straight to the garage and I picked up this Nissan 350Z. It's not any standard Nissan 350Z. This one has a Veilside body kit. So, as per usual, it's going to be way better than whatever these guys bring anyway, so. My point exactly. Hello, Mr. Chris.
Dude, I'm so tired.
Tell me about it. This will wake you up. Are you proud of me?
There's a good life choice.
Oh, is it, hey?
Yeah, good life
I knew
choice.
you'd be proud of me, but you brought your own car here today.
Because there was nothing
Why?
left in the garage.
What do these cars have in common? Because I was told to bring a rear-wheel drive car, and you?
Same thing.
Same thing. I wonder if Roscoe managed to mess that up. Oh. Well, check. Oh, goodness me.
Dude,
Are you really checking out the 350Z?
I'm not checking it out.
What does that tell you? This is
That's
the best
cheese, man. This is basically the rebel of Japanese cars, man.
car. The Rebel.
It's just everything you want in a car. I like your car, Chris. It's very cool.
Thanks.
He never likes the cars that I bring. You
No,
know,
it's rice, dude. It's
until
too
you get
much
to
rice.
drive. I do agree with you. Like, what is this? The Rice Diaries.
Exactly.
Like, what on earth are we actually doing today?
Rice is nice, though.
What's that?
I don't know.
It can only be bad.
It's always bad.
Always wanted one.
Where's the rest of it?
I don't know.
What's going on here?
I'll hold that one.
You guys. You know, there's other ways of delivering messages. You know that, right?
Seriously?
This wrapped really well.
No way.
What a mean trick. Man, I thought it was going to be a car key. Okay. Our fate lies within this letter.
Look at your phones.
Look at your phones.
Today you have been tasked with a lesson in drifting. Before you get too excited, make your way to the Redstar Raceway now. P.S.
Okay, hang on. Just before you say that, okay? I just want to make sure that yours is a manual. It's an auto.
Well, there's one more thing. P.S. Swap cards.
No, you were joking. You just made that up.
I'll see you there.
No, guys, seriously.
Can you get my door for me?
No, Chris,
Thanks.
you were just joking.
No.
Roscoe, this is not cool, man. You could have at least washed it for me.
It was way too early to deal with Mike and his car problem, so Roscoe and I did the right thing and left him behind. We then hit the road in hot pursuit of our morning coffee.
I don't know if you guys know this, but in the last episode, I got left behind by Mike. This time I got my revenge.
Yeehaw!
Driving low cars, man. Got to do it in style. Oh, own that. I own that.
Oh, Michael. The 300ZX sometimes has a bit of an intermittent problem where it doesn't like to start, and then worst case, it doesn't like to run at all.
So I'm back on the road again, all right, and I'm not in the Nissan 300ZX. Thank goodness, I've got something with a little bit more power, and I am so happy. Now they have to be at a petrol station around here. Somebody gave me a bit of a hint.
And unfortunately for the 300ZX, I don't know why it didn't work, but like,
What?
the?
Hey! You guys honestly thought that you could get rid of me that quick, eh?
That's cheating.
Yeah, that is cheating. Where
Ow.
did you?
Okay, I know that this is American. However, the instructions were to bring a rear-wheel drive car, okay, and I couldn't get that other piece of shit started. Okay, so next best thing, this thing is epic, dude. It's manual, because that was a stupid move on your part. And I can most definitely get this thing sideways. So off to the track we go.
Damn it.
And the worst part is he's not wrong.
He's not. It's a nice car.
How much power does your car have?
Shut up.
Kudos, dude. Well done.
Yeah,
I'm impressed.
Yeah, good job.
I'm impressed,
I think
dude.
you
Well
might
done.
have planned this.
I think so too. He must have known something was happening.
That's fun.
Well, let's hit the road.
Yeah, we'll see you at the track.
Yeah. We'll see you
I used to like Mike.
on the road.
I used to like him.
Not so much no mal.
No. Have a look at all these idiots. I'll drive it.
It's the same thing over and over and over again. I'm always the first one to arrive. We always end up swapping cars. Maybe I should take the worst car possible and then swap it out with one of these guys, which they'll probably think it's cool anyway. Now look at the
Not such a good idea to have a low car in this country, that's for sure. The roads are terrible.
After fighting our way through the Johannesburg morning traffic, the road slowly started to clear up, which gave us an opportunity to explore the cars that we brought.
I'm loving this car, but as much as I'm loving it, at the same time, I'm always looking in my rearview mirror and seeing that 350Z. It is just so ugly, but I love it.
It makes me happy.
Simply incredible, see?
Yeah, you can do, I'm not even gonna talk. You guys can just listen to the flipping awesome song that this sucker sings.
In terms of driving experience, it's really cool. And this car, I connect with this car. I feel like I do. Sorry, Chris, I'm cheating on your car with me. And another thing about this particular one is the body kit. I think Chris has done a great job. It's not too much, it's not over the top like that Veilside thing. And I think it adds like an extra twist, you know what I mean?
I don't think I can hold my urine. I need a pee so badly right now, it's not even funny. The weather's actually turned out to be an incredibly foggy day, which is, I love fog for some odd reason, I don't know why, but I do.
I'm just gonna put this thing back into fourth, and it just pushes, it just goes and goes and goes. Like, some people are like, yeah man, those cars are insane. Other people just look past and they've got that sort of, I hate what you're doing with your life sort of look in their face.
So, as you could probably see, the weather has turned for the worst. Pum, pum, pum. It's like Britain, you know, Britain. Hello. Or hello, I'm from England. Or not really, from Essex, which is in England, but you just kind of have to go in the middle a little bit. Yeah.
But right now, I think all of us can fully agree that we're actually really enjoying ourselves right now.
This is probably the most boring road I've ever been on. It doesn't do anything, it just goes straight. I gotta pee so bad. I gotta pee so bad right now. I'm gonna pee on you. I'm gonna pee on me. I'm gonna pee everywhere. And that's just how it'll be.
I can't see! Ah!
This is ridiculous.
We finally found the off-ramp through all that fog. It was almost time to go sideways.
Just taking the off-ramp. The track is near.
Do you need to pee, Chris? Dude, I need to pee so badly. North to the Sabi areas, and they have such nice waterfalls there.
Go deep into the jungle.
Shut up.
It's amazing.
I'm peeing right here, I don't care.
Filming Chris peeing, yeah, that's a first for me.
After Chris took a tinkle in the jungle, we finally found ourselves at Redstar Raceway, and it was about to go down.
Drift Master Jim then instructed us to ditch our poser cars and demanded we slip into something a little more uncomfortable, which we did, happily.
Join us on our adventures and never miss an episode. Subscribe right now.